During several of my last few projects, I missed having a spray booth that would help me get the best results while keeping my workshop clean and free from contaminants. So I've decided to build one based on another one I made years ago with some added improvements. This 3D SketchUp model will offer you a better understanding of how it works. This is the Extractor, which lets clean air out from its upper part. I will apply varnish on this side. This is a special cardboard filter with holes designed for this kind of booth. According to its manufacturer, it will gather 98% of the leftover varnish. It is actually made up of two accordion-like cardboard sheets separated by a few millimeters. Both sheets have holes that don't line up, making it difficult for air to pass. As a result, the varnish remains stuck in the filter. The air continues to go up through here and into a second filter, a kind of dust filter, that will collect anything the first filter failed to catch. Time to test it. Thanks to its wheels, I can move it around as I wish. I open the doors and flip this door that will help contain the varnish. At the bottom, I'm going to store my varnishing materials. I switch on the light and the extractor. I will now test the extractor's power with a piece of paper. It looks like it's working properly. For safety reasons, we should use a light that does not produce a spark when it's switched on. I have used a LED bar. I can apply varnish to small objects inside the booth. When we're finished, it's best to close the doors to prevent dust from sticking to them. We could also build a rotating platform such as this one to varnish other kinds of objects. The other purpose this booth can serve is to filter air. When it's closed, the extractor doesn't make a lot of noise, so I will use it when I'm working on projects that produce a great deal of dust, or simply to clean the air in my workshop. If we want to use it for this purpose, before varnishing we should wipe any dust inside the booth and wait a few minutes for airborne dust to settle before applying varnish. Let's have a look at how I built it. This is the extractor I'm going to use. I bought a used one from an industrial refrigeration dismantling company at a reasonable price. I will disassemble it in order to adapt it to my design. It's important to use a brushless engine to prevent possible explosions. Here you can see a demonstration of its power. This time, I've had a woodworking shop cut all the pieces according to the cutting list. This will save me a lot of time. I've used a Comey plywood due to its stability and low weight. With the milling machine, I cut a hole for the extractor, as well as these pieces that will hold it in place. I assemble all the pieces with screws following the plan's instructions. I prepare a place for the dust filter. Now I trim down these L-shaped steel pieces for the cardboard filter. They're the kind used when setting up plasterboard. I put the extractor in its place and prepare the electric system. I screw the back part in place, making the structure much more stable. I put the wheels and LED light in place. I place the filter in its position and lock it with bolts. I will line the interior with paper to keep it clean after repeated varnish applications. Now I'll finish the assembly of these last pieces and attach the doors with flat hinges. I will place some magnets to stop the doors from opening, as well as some door knobs. That was all. I hope you liked it.